Whether you plan to stay in your house as you get older or if you've got a loved one with a disability, coming to a showroom like this can be a great place to visit, where you can touch and feel and try out ideas to help you with bathrooms and kitchens and stairs and help you meet your needs now and in the future. Linda, nice to meet you.
Likewise, thank you, welcome.
Thank you very much for inviting us to the showroom, which looks terrific. You got the facade of a house out front here.
Because we want clients when they come in to just imagine their own home. What is needed to get into that home? Is it a ramp? Is it a vertical platform lift? It could be a threshold to get into the front door. So there's many options depending on what that client's needs are.
Sure. I came down a ramp. We're putting one on the outside of our house, but I think we've got needs for one inside as well, the garage. I presume something like this could serve both needs?
Absolutely. All aluminum. It can go outside with the mesh so that the rain and the snow can just go right through, and it can go inside. Depending on the risers that are there in the garage would also depend on the actual length of the ramp.
Gotcha. And this to me is a little less typical. A lift, I don't see them a lot.
These are vertical platform lifts, and come on in. So then again, another option that a client could use to get into the home. So if it's a small front yard, there's not enough room to put a ramp, so they could use a vertical platform lift. This all aluminum. It can go in a garage or also outside.
Looks like you're protecting us from rolling off or falling off as this comes up.
That is correct.
All right. And how much elevation can this cover?
Normal vertical platform lifts can go up to 14 feet.
Oh, wow. So quite a bit, huh?
Yes.
Very nice. So obviously rated for outdoors. Where do these go?
Those would go next to the lift, in the vicinity of the lift. It could be next to the deck. It could be next to the side of the house, depending on what's there. And it would be covered in the aluminum.
Gotcha. Okay. So a couple options for in and out of the house. More to show me?
Absolutely. Come on down. Welcome to the heart of our showroom. I'd like to start first by showing you the bedroom. Okay. What we see here are ceiling lifts. This is also an adjustable bed. So with the ceiling lift, you could have the freestanding posts as we show here, or you can actually have those tracks installed in the ceiling. You can put them throughout the entire home if need be.
Oh, really?
You can use them with turntables so they can go around corners.
And so is it designed to be operated by the person with the disability, by a caregiver, by both?
It would be mainly used by the caregiver. Maneuvering that individual either to the left or to the right to maneuver that individual over into a wheelchair.
I gotcha. Okay. And the bed's going up and down sort of as the remote calls for it as well.
Yes.
Is it just for the bedroom? You said you could put it anywhere in the house, so also into a bathroom?
You can put this into a bathroom. You can put this into a living room. It really just depends on the mobility of that individual and what the use of it is for.
I've never seen it before. Intuitive. Okay.
So I'd like to show you the bathroom next. As you can see here, it's designed for all accessibility and mobility. One of the first things I'd like to show you is the toilet lift. Please grab the remote. So designed for like a lift chair. This can come up or down. It also has the existing grab bars on either side. You can use this on any existing toilet.
So this is a retrofit?
This is a retrofit. So it's an easy, affordable modification that can be done.
Comes up awfully high.
It does come up high. So from that, by design, and you've got the grab bars there to hold it. And then if someone were in a wheelchair, as an example, they could easily transfer into the wheelchair.
So it could take you to the standing position.
It could.
Gotcha. And
it could.
I presume this is adjustable next door.
Yep.
Good.
This is what they call a PT rail. And again, just another form of a grab bar. This is the roll-in shower.
Okay, so one chair so that you could have this in the shower, curbless or mostly curbless. This is a retrofit.
That is correct.
But designed so that you can roll over it in and out.
So you can use either this type of chair or you can use a shower bench that is attached to the wall.
So this one stays in the shower.
That's correct.
It goes away very nicely right there.
So let me take you to the kitchen next. Let's start with the appliances. As you can see here, there's the oven at the top. It's got the right open because it is easier to open from the side than it is to pull down if you're in a walker or a wheelchair.
Didn't know that.
The microwave at the bottom is just push button, so again, it's for ease of use for someone that is in a wheelchair.
Right, so in this case, it's about the position of the appliances.
Correct.
Gotcha.
As you come down into the stove, you see the grab bars here.
Oh, I thought they were drawer pulls, so you fooled me. Well done. But they are nice and sturdy.
And then you have the pantry. So this is just a drop arm here. And you could just put your critical items here. You don't have to do it in every cabinet. And Kevin, lastly, I'd like to show you some of the options that we do provide for individuals that have trouble getting up and down the stairs.
Okay.
This is Bill, my husband. This is his area of expertise, so I'm going to let him take it from here.
Thank you, Linda. You were
Thank you.
terrific.
Pleasure.
Tough act to follow, Bill.
Hey, I'm going to try my best.
All right, please do.
This is our standard stair lift.
Okay.
It runs off of a remote controls that are located at the top and bottom of the stairway.
Very nice.
It also has an up and down button on the
one
chair
here?
itself. Yes.
Okay.
This is what we call the flip rail, and this is designed to eliminate an obstruction at the bottom of the stairway, whether it be a door or a passageway to a room.
So you could just walk right through here once that's up.
That's correct.
Gotcha.
That's
okay.
correct. Yep.
I noticed that there is a seat belt. Other safety features?
The footrest safety pan.
So it's like a little bump feature. If it hits
That's-
something, it's going to stop the chair.
That's correct.
Gotcha. All right. And in terms of compactness,
When it's not in use, you can fold the footrest up. The seat will fold up. The arms fold up as well.
look at that. Okay.
It only takes up 14 inches of the stairway.
Which means you still have plenty of room to come up and down a
Exactly.
typical staircase right
Exactly.
there. Nice. So kind of a critical feature if you have mobility issues or bad knees, because stairs can be treacherous. Not the only option for getting up and down.
No, we have the elevator.
Nice to have a model that you can show off, and this one's glass doors,
This
huh?
is a great option, allows the customers to see what's on the inside.
Yep. So may I get in?
Please,
I presume you can really customize it to your preferences.
crown moldings, chair rails, flooring, different fixture metals,
Whatever you want.
whatever you want.
So essential to have something like this if you are in a wheelchair, right? This can be very helpful for
Correct.
getting between floors, although
Correct.
a much bigger price point than the stair lift.
Much higher.
Yeah.
Much higher.
So are you doing many of them? Is it popular?
Right now, we've got about 80 active elevator projects. Yeah,
So they are popular.
very much so.
Holy mackerel. Well, you know, if this is the thing that allows you to stay in your house, I mean, are people putting these in out of necessity or are they sort of future-proofing?
Future-proofing.
Yeah, so this allows them to sit there and
That's
say, I can
correct.
stay in the house, and I guess maybe that makes the cost.
This is the new baby boomer option.
Yeah. Can we take a ride?
Please.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.